Hello, it's a boring day. Kailangan ulit natin. I have a plain canvas here. It's a 60 by 90 centimeter. Marami akong yellow na paint. Try kong mag-yellow background. Marami kong yellow na paint. Malapad na. So, I'm done with the underpainting. Although wala pa akong naiisip talaga na ipipaint, at least meron na siyang nasimulan. Then I have to wait to try out.